In this video, I will show you how to clone an app in BASE44 and how to clone app templates inside BASE44. So if you want to duplicate a project here on BASE44, all you need to do is first go to app.base44.com website and log in to your account or create a new account, okay? After that, you will see this workspace right here, but what you need to do is come here at templates, okay? You don't want to recreate an app using the coding part. You want to go here to templates. So if you want to clone with app templates, you need to come here, and after that all you need to do is select what you need to build, what you want to build. You can search here for education, community, lifestyle and hobbies, etc. So I will first find one here. I will choose this Mario game, okay? After that you need to click on this button, view details, click here. You can verify if everything is correct, and after that you can choose the option use template. After clicking this button, your base44 will start cloning the app you choose, okay? You can also change things later, but first you need to wait the base44 create this clone, okay? So we just need to wait the base for clone this app, and after the template is cloned, you can also open the editor, customize it for your own project. You can change the app name, colors, text pages, buttons, database, and everything else. You can also charge for these apps, okay? You can set up a Stripe checkout and everything else, okay? You can also use the AI chat to edit faster. So for example, you can ask it to change the dashboard layout, replace sample content, add Stripe payments, create a login system, update navigation, or turn the template into a different type of app. So mine just loaded and it's working correctly. So after that, if I want to make any changes, I will put here on the chat, please make a login page, or every other changes I want to build right here. So once everything looks good, publish the cloned app. When you're ready, base44 will generate a live link for the new version. Then you can share it without changing the original app. You can put here your app visibility on public no login. You can select login required, or you can also put this as a private app, okay? I will put here on no login, and you can just hit here publish app, okay? And that's it. You've successfully learned how to clone an app in base44 and how to clone app templates in base44. The main steps are simple, so you just open the template, clone the template, and make the changes you need, okay? You can customize it, test everything, and publish it when it's ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Base44 no-code AI tools and app building tutorials.